pretty much the home screen of the application. And these are pretty much templates where you just upload a photo of yourself and you pretty much get these results. Very easy. As you can see here, you can just tap on the one that you want to use. Let's say, for example, this one here, and tap on the click to upload photo, and it will have access to storage and so forth. Just tap on that, and it will guarantee a gallery section. Just select the photo that you want to transition into that, and you're pretty much good to go. Very, very easy. And you have some other ones that you can use. You have the dance option here, and you can just pretty much scroll across as it relates to this here to find other ones which you can use. There's not much, but there's a few which you can use. So that's pretty much it for that. There you have the video generate or AI generating section here. You can tap on this option down here, and here you'll be able to enter your prompt and pretty much upload a photo if you want to use as reference or whatever the case is. And as well, you can also add 2 different photos as it relates to that as well. So once you have entered your prompt, you can pretty much go ahead and tap on generate. So the template section is pretty much the AI videos which you can use, or preset, I would say preset templates which you can use to create AI videos. As you can see here, you just upload a photo and it pretty much turns. Same thing that I was pretty much saying to you guys earlier as it relates to these. Nothing much for that. So as you can see here, once you tap on the explore option down here, you'll be able to see other things that other people have created on the application. Although this application is fairly new, not many people have used this application or know much about it. So once more people know more about the application, we'll pretty much see more of the AI generated videos in this section here. So that's pretty much as it relates to that. And do keep in mind, you're going to need diamonds to generate your videos or your AI images. So once you do tap on that, at the top here, we'll pretty much show you your subscription and pretty much how much diamonds you'll be getting for each subscription. So weekly subscription, we're getting 300 diamonds, and for a monthly subscription, we're getting 600 credits. I should say credits. So yeah, that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if I can help you. See you in the next one.